All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's do another lot walk. Okay guys, this is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be walking around the lot checking out all the new inventory. Every week we get about 10 to 15 cars. I think we got around 10 this week. You can go to maplemotors.com and see all the current inventory every Monday. It's always updated only on Monday. Of course, this was a holiday weekend, so we jumped to Tuesday. You can see more videos on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course here on YouTube I post complete test drives of each and every car that comes through. That way you know any issues, because we don't fix anything. All we do is clean them up and tell you what's going on. That's how we keep the prices down, and that's how we go through so many cars every month. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, share this video. That'll help me out, keep me doing these for you. Let's get started up here in the front corner. I'm going to be telling you the year and the price. Okay, starting here in the corner with a Caprice. This was a 1968 model for $25,900. And yes, there is a test drive video on all the cars, especially this one. You can look below in our playlist, cars currently available. Right next to that, this one is on hold, but it's a 1970 Buick Skylark. Got it priced at $24,900. Got another Cutlass sitting here, and this one's green, 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass, right at $19,900. Next to that, a 1970 Pontiac GTO. This one is at $32,900. New to the website, a 1971 Plymouth Satellite. We've got it priced $24,900. Another new one to the website. This one's an awesome driver. A lot of custom pinstripe all the way around the car. A 1971 Chevrolet El Camino. It's priced at $31,900. You can see somebody hand-painted Tasmanian Devil on the hood. Coming back across the front row here. All right, now we're gonna head on down the side, and then we're gonna hit up the showroom. Right here in the corner, a 1965 Plymouth Valiant. This one's at $13,900. And of course the four-door. This was a 61 Bel Air. I love the back window on these. It's got a rear visor basically coming from the roof. It's the crew cab at $19,900. And of course, we sold this one last week, the Sport Fury. It was a 1967 model. I leave previous inventory, test drives and all up on YouTube so that you can go back and refer to it. We've been doing that for about 6 or 7 years. Right here, 1956 Bel Air. This one's on hold, but hold does not mean sold until it's paid for, until the cash is out. It had the 409 with a 4-speed. It was priced at $24,900. Right next to that, what about a 1974 Plymouth Scamp? Had it priced at $14,900. The Patina Stepside 1965, right at $15,900. What about the Pro Street truck? Got pinstriping all the way around. Pretty nice interior. Thick, comfortable seats. Custom headliner with a sunroof. 64 model C10 pickup truck priced at $25,900. Next to that, a 1986 Chevrolet 4x4. This one here's got the LS motor in it, so they swapped it out. Nice set of wheels and tires on it, and we priced it $16,900. All right, guys, I've got some more cars to show you, but we're gonna go ahead and head into the showroom, and I'll be right back. First stop, Pops' Hot Wheels room, right next door to Maple Motors. You can come in here. You just got to go in there, grab the old man, and he'll bring you over here to show you his collection. He's in here every weekend, adding new cars, new inventory, just like the car lot. We've got a high dollar section. We've got, you know, some mid-range stuff like $20 cars, $10 cars, $50 cars, and a case sitting here. Everything is 100 and over. These are the very rare ones that you just don't ever find. But you can see all this in detail at Jim Fight's Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube. I got my sister in here, kind of teaching her a little bit about doing some videos, advertising some of Pops' stuff here. And I think she does a pretty good job. So go over there, leave some comments, and I'll see you when you get here. Let's get back out on the lot. Thanks, guys. Off in the showroom now, 1972 Camaro sitting here. We got it priced $27,900. Upgraded interior, custom paint job, aftermarket wheels, disc brakes in the front. And if you look around in here, there's quite a few Camaros. You get started over here with the drop top. This one is a 1967 model, and we've got it priced $49,900. Got the 396 under the hood. Beautiful car. Test drive video is available for you, so go online here, check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. Right next to that is pretty much a street legal drag car. This one's got a wrap on it. It's a pretty good wrap. Man, it almost looks like paint. Full roll cage, tubbed in the rear. I mean, just ready to rock at $29,900. You've got a speed demon of a car in a 1967 Camaro. Of course, right here, we've got this Trans Am we're getting ready to get to. Probably one of the fastest cars on the lot right now. But what about another 67 Camaro? This one's got a big blower sticking out of the hood, tubbed in the rear. And it's priced at $42,900. I mean, just beautiful under the hood. Interior is customized and looks great. I love the door panels on this one. Rat Fink on the dash. Just sweet looking ride. You see the banner in the background? Well, we have t-shirts, we have gear, we even got the tapestries just like this, all online on our website. Just look under merchandise. You can order directly from the manufacturer that I get it from. We don't ever keep that kind of stuff here on premises. This right here, one of the fastest cars on the update, 1974 Trans Am. This is a supercharged car and it is quick. Street legal drag car here. You can literally drive to go eat lunch and have no issues with this one. It was a lot of fun and it's very fast. You get out there and surprise some people, that's for sure. Check this out. Got the rumble seat in the back. It's got metal all over it. So when I did the video, I was tapping on stuff and that sounded like fiberglass. Well, a magnet sticks to it. So this is all metal. It's a 1928 Ford Roadster. Got a Chevrolet 350 under the hood at 23.9. All right, let's get back out here and I want to show y'all some more cars. What about the Ford Falcon? It's a 1963 model. We got it priced at $16.9. Right next to that, a 1965 Mustang convertible. This one's priced $36.9. I'm sure y'all have seen a lot of new stuff that we have added. What about this one right here? 1967, a Ford Mustang. Got it priced at $15.9. Next to that, a 70 Nova. Everybody's wanting the Novas. We got another one this week at $19.9. Should be a good driver car. I'm gonna have to test drive it today. I haven't made that video yet. This one here is 68 Pontiac Firebird, $29.9. And of course, next to that, what about a 1972 Chevrolet Nova? This is a bullet of a car. Right now it runs on alcohol. A lot of people are asking, can it be converted back to gas? Yes, that's not an issue there. But it's priced $25.9. And up here on the front row, a 1973 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, priced at $24.9. I've still got more cars, guys. We got some in the middle here. We got El Camino sitting out there. We're gonna walk up, check all those out, and then I may just bust the lot one more time, make sure I didn't miss anything, because I can already see another one that I'm missing in the back there. We'll make our rounds. Right here in the middle of the lot, a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette with the T-tops at $15.9. We got another El Camino in, and this was a 1980 model. It's got the 4-speed, the cow hood, priced at $15.9. A decent paint job. What about a 1991 Pontiac Firebird? This one's priced at $10.9. Also got the T-tops. An 86 Chevrolet Corvette. Good price range at $69.50. Next to that, a Pontiac Trans Am. This was a 1999 model with the LS motor. And of course, we have it priced $14.9. Next to a one that's a 1998 with the pace car stickers all over it. It's also a Pontiac Trans Am for $12.9. Tell you what, we've added a lot of cars to the update this week. So right here, 1974 Chevrolet Impala. priced at $24,900. And guys, you want to see details such as motors, how does it run and drive, what's wrong with these cars? Again, we have test drive videos available for you. Be sure to look in the playlist below. We're putting out about 15 to 20 videos a week. Check this out. This thing's on the ground. A 1964 Chevy Bel Air. It's got a high dollar air ride system, disc brakes, priced at $24,900. Okay guys, just one more time, we're just going to glance around the lot. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. We are a family business, been here almost 40 years now. We don't plan on going anywhere, and just constantly getting new inventory, which is a good thing. So we'll always put something out every Monday. Be sure to check Monday at 11 on our website to see all the new rides. Then you could tune in here and watch the walk around video if you'd like, watch the test drive videos. All I ask is you hit share and like the video. That helps me out quite a bit. If you do need financing, if you do need shipping, we have it available on our website, along with all that merchandise that I was telling you about. Lots of people ask for shirts. Those are available. Cups, tapestries, all that good stuff is on maplemotors.com. There's a bio on there. We went ahead and filled out an About Us section. That way you can learn a little bit about who we are. Plenty of reviews on Google. There's Jason out here decoding motors. And I don't know about y'all, but Rod Run's coming up this weekend. Are y'all gonna be out there? I'll be out there Friday and Saturday, coming back home Sunday. Make sure I get all these videos done for you. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in here, put this video together and get started on some test drives because I got a lot to do before we leave this weekend. I do appreciate you watching, and I'll be looking for comments below, trying to get back to everyone. Basically the only channel that I focus on is YouTube here with the comments. Let my sister take over on the Instagram comments. We're still posting tons of stuff to different social media networks, but lots and lots of messages come through. So if you're trying to get in contact with us, just give us a call during business hours, obviously. 615-822-4444. That's the best way to get a hold of us. All right guys, I appreciate it, and I'll see you later. Have a good one.